Hi, Michelle here from Straw-Bearie Designs, and this week is Teacher Appreciation Week at my school, so I wanted to share with you some really appreciated teacher gifts that you could give to your kids' teachers. Okay, so first of all, as teachers, we appreciate anything. I mean, seriously, if you want to tell us that you think we're doing a good job, that is probably all you need to really do. We really do just want to feel appreciated like everybody in the world. We just want to know that you get us and you understand, you know, that it's not always easy and that we're doing the best that we can, and we really would like just to know that you appreciate us. We don't have to have a gift. But that being said, I know some of you want to buy us gifts, and I know you would probably rather give us a gift that we're going to use and not one that's going to go in the trash or that's going to be stuck in the corner. So I want to give you some really practical ideas. All right, so my first idea is tissues, Kleenex, a box like this. This is my last box, and my kids still have runny noses, and this box is going to be out by the end of the week. So it would be really nice if you brought in some tissues. Trust me, a lot of teachers are running out, and they would love to get some tissues right now. All right, so the next one is dry erase markers, or basically any kind of school supply that we would want at the beginning of the year. This basket was full at the beginning of the year of dry erase markers that I've used, and you can see what I have left. A couple of orange. I need some more dry erase markers, so that would be really appreciated. So as I was borrowing a different color from the teacher next door, she said that she needs erasers for her dry erase board, and that her kids have walked off with them. She's gone through at least 4 erasers this year, and they keep walking off, and she needs new erasers. I have erasers, but you can see mine are kind of older than dirt. So that would be kind of a cool gift. This is probably just specific to me, but I have a wooden doorstop. This one's been painted. It's the only one I have left, and it was given to me by one of the custodians after I've had 4, 5 wooden doorstops wander off this year. They hold my door open. I really need to have a wooden doorstop, and they keep disappearing. So this would be cutting a little piece of wood into a triangle shape, or I know Dollar Tree sells rubber doorstops for $1, so it could be one of those, but that would be a very thoughtful gift for me personally. So the next thing I thought about was chocolate. Now, a lot of teachers were really wanting to get into our beach bodies for summer, but we need chocolate. So yeah, it's kind of a cross between, do we want to diet, do we want chocolate? Do we want to diet, do we need chocolate? Sometimes the need wins out. So chocolate, you really can't go wrong with. I want to show you, I got this gift a couple years ago from some students. It is some hand sanitizer that they made themselves, and it's just a little spray with some essential oils, and it smells really good. And this is the hand sanitizer that I keep at my desk for me. This is not what I share with the students, and I just think it's really nice and sweet, and it was a homemade gift that I really like. Another idea would be just some kind of pamper kit of some fun, nice things. I know one year I got a beach towel, and it was like rolled around like a Gatorade bottle or a water bottle, I don't even remember, maybe it was a Diet Coke, and there was a magazine in there, and it was just like all tied with a ribbon, and that was like the perfect like end of the year summer gift. Oh, there was a pair of flip-flops in there too. It was just so cute and so sweet to get us, you know, thinking that, yay, summer's coming, we get a break. Now, gift cards are wonderful, and a lot of teachers love coffee, and at this time of year, they've been staying up late grading papers, and they need coffee. But check with your teacher and make sure that they actually like coffee. This is a local coffee shop that I have this gift card for, and I probably have a dozen Starbucks cards at home because I don't drink coffee, so I don't hardly ever use them. But most teachers would, and most teachers would like that if they do drink coffee. So just check and make sure that they like coffee. But gift cards are a wonderful thing, depending, you know, on how much you want to spend. I know coffee cards are usually a lot cheaper than maybe other places, but you know, I would love a Chick-fil-A card, or you know, a taco card or something like that. I think that would be great. Some pampering cards, like to get a pedicure or a massage after being with the kids all day. That would be totally awesome. You might want to make sure you know who your teacher is and what they might or might not do, but some of them, maybe a card for an adult beverage might be a nice gift. I have to tell you that one of the best gifts I ever got from a student was a gift card to Payless Shoes. And I'm so sad that they're going out of business, but yes, that student bought me shoes. That was so cool. Other school supplies that we might be running out of, or maybe supplies that aren't on the school supply list, but they're things that we use in our classrooms because it's summertime. During the summertime, we're going to be buying those with our own money to restock our supply. So maybe buying some of those school supply type things. And seriously, at the beginning, I said that we really just want to know that we're appreciated. So a note, a handwritten note, a hand-drawn picture, those probably mean the absolute most. If you have flowers in your yard and you want to pick a couple flowers and the student brings in those flowers, that would be really special and really touching. So I hope these ideas maybe help some of you out who are thinking about getting a gift for a teacher and you really weren't sure what to give. Oh, I will say one other thing, and that is homemade goodies. So this hand sanitizer was really good. I know a lot of teachers will not at all eat any of the homemade goodies you bring. And it's not that they don't trust you, but they have so many students that they kind of just make it a rule that they're not going to eat any homemade gifts because they don't know what the sanitary conditions are in all of their students' homes. So you might want to steer away from that unless you know the teacher personally and you know that teacher would actually eat it and like it. Anyway, thank you so much for watching. Please give this video a thumbs up, like, and subscribe. Tell all your friends, and have an awesome, wonderful day.